Alright, today I am in Buckingham Palace in London, England. I just got summoned by the Queen herself and Meghan Markle because they wanted me to make them some ramen noodles. And so they wanted me to make them England-style ramen noodles with tea. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is ramen noodles. Right here I have chicken-flavored ramen noodles. The Queen is a fan of chicken flavor. Meghan Markle likes shrimp and beef flavor, but the Queen trumps, so we're having chicken flavor. All right, let's get started. We're opening it from the top right here. Look at it. All right, I'm going to pull out the package, the block of ramen noodles, and place it in the bowl. Now, normally, I eat the crunchies that are inside, but the Queen wants to eat on these herself, so I'm going to save these for her and bring these to the Queen. Absolute goodness. All right, so once you have the ramen noodles in the rapid ramen noodle cooker, you're going to do some prep work. Right here is a term that I learned in chef school where you do prep work. You open up the bag of tea. Tea. See, my voice has already started to sound British. All right, and I'm going to pull out the tea bag, place the tea bag to the side, and then I'm going to fill the ramen noodle cooker a little bit above the line because the Queen likes a little bit more soupy tea than dry tea. All right, so I have that in there and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 3 minutes and 45 seconds or until they get al dente. Let's get started. All right, after 3 minutes and some seconds, the ramen noodles should be al dente. Let me zoom in close so you can see the texturation. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to flip the ramen noodles just slightly, all right? And then I'm going to open up, well, I already have open my tea bag, and I'm just gonna tea bag my ramen noodles, all right? Just tea bag it a little bit on both sides, and then just let it sit and soak. And while that's sitting and soaking, I'm gonna take my flavoration packet, pour the chicken on top, and then mixerate the ramen noodles just like this. All right, and all the time while this is mixerating, the tea bag is soaking in the water, giving it a nice English feel to the ramen noodle.